Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful rainbow flower. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This will be a beautiful flower and this is a very easy way to draw a beautiful flower. I completed all the picture. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here watercolor. First one I'm using yellow color. Yellow color. Here I'm using red color. Red color. Now I'm using light blue color. Blue, light blue color. Let's use the deep pink color. Pink, deep pink color. Here I'm using purple color. Purple color. And now I'm using orange color. Orange color. Let's use the deep green color. Green, deep green color. And the last one I'm using light green color. Green, light green color. Wow, the flower is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little gems. Wow!